In 1942, the United States officially joined World War II. According to the development of the battlefield situation, future amphibious landings in the counteroffensive were a form of combat that the Allies must focus on. The California Institute of Technology responded to the needs of the U.S. Navy by developing a 4.5-inch Beach Barrage Rocket, which could be launched from landing craft and other amphibious vehicles to provide firepower cover on the beachhead when necessary, weakening the enemy's resistance. This rocket was an improvement on existing equipment and was developed from the U.S. Mousetrap anti-submarine rocket, which in turn was an improvement on the British Hedgehog anti-submarine mortar. It utilized rail launch, and retained the basic structure of the anti-submarine rocket, with a small solid rocket engine at the rear to provide power, an electric primer, and a circular fin at the tail for stabilization. However, its warhead was replaced with a 20-pound aerial bomb warhead and equipped with a contact fuse at the top. A single rocket weighed about 13 kilograms, was approximately 76 centimeters long, and had a diameter of about 114 millimeters. The engine could propel the ammunition to a maximum flight speed of nearly 400 kilometers per hour, with a range of about 1,000 kilometers. The warhead could be a high-explosive or white phosphorus shell. The rockets needed to be installed on a T-45 launcher for use, as shown in the photo. The T-45 was a simple launch frame that could accommodate 12 rockets. It relied on gravity to fall and, by adjusting the angle of the track, the range could be changed. Each time it was fired, the ammunition at the bottom of the track could be launched. A set of T-45 launchers could be installed on both the left and right sides of an amphibious vehicle, with 24 pieces of ammunition enough to provide heavy firepower cover. More could be installed on the landing craft. The Beach Barrage Rocket was tested in the summer of 1942, and the results showed that it indeed had good killing power. It was formally ordered by the Navy and was deployed in the North African theater in November of the same year. In actual combat, its accuracy was found to be poor, and it mainly relied on quantity for coverage. However, soldiers had a high opinion of it. A total of approximately 1.6 million rockets were manufactured during the entire World War II. The Beach Barrage rockets were not only installed on amphibious landing vehicles, but also on jeeps and some small surface vessels. The land-based version was used as a self-propelled rocket to bombard enemy positions, such as in the U.S. military's operations on Iwo Jima. Interestingly, in 1944, in the waters near the Philippines, a ship engaged in naval combat and sank another ship using 4.5-inch rockets. The designers subsequently developed another type of box launcher, the T-54, which was somewhat similar to the rocket artillery launchers currently in use. At the end of World War II, a 2.0 version of the Beach Barrage rocket was developed, with a 5-inch caliber and a more powerful warhead. After being launched, the body would stabilize its flight posture through rotation, resulting in higher accuracy and a longer range. However, this type of close-range firepower suppression weapon was rarely seen after World War II, as it no longer met the requirements of the new battlefield environment.